Hi, I'm Sandra and I'm from Jamaica. Math was my daughter's weakest link, so I decided to get her help with the topic. After searching and even sitting in on some live classes, I became a little discouraged. I decided that I was going to open up my options to search for tutors from anywhere in the world. PTI came up in my search. They offered a free class. In the very first class, my daughter got a greater understanding on a topic that she had had trouble with. I decided I would register with them. Their approach to teaching is unlike any I had seen before. The tutor from PTI would insist on everyone understanding his lessons, and if it was not understood one way, he would find another way to explain. My daughter also got some coaching in English and chemistry. And I think that this style of teaching is unbeatable, and I consider this money well spent. I would describe PTI as a system. They even discussed how to eat during exam time and how to navigate through school. My daughter attained 9 1s, and I want to say to PTI, thank you so much for a job well done.